Number 1. This workflow turns one lazy afternoon into a full week of publish-ready content. It's a faceless channel, so zero camera time. My first batch of 12 videos cost $18 in AI tools and pulled in $2,347 over 60 days. The surprise? You don't need a niche. The algorithm rewards consistency over topic mastery. I script with ChatGPT, voice with 11 Labs, and edit with CapCut auto captions. Each video takes 90 minutes from idea to upload. Number 2. The script template that doubles retention is a 3-act hook. Start with a painful problem, tease the solution, then stack 3 numbered payoffs. I write 400 words, which lands at a 2-minute read. This kept average view duration at 71% versus the 40% I got with rambling intros. One detail nobody expects. I paste the script into a text-to-speech preview first. Hearing it aloud kills weak sentences in 10 minutes, not 30. Number 3. The Faceless visual engine is pure Canva plus motion. I build a 16:9 background per section, then export as MP4 with a 0.5-second zoom effect. That tiny movement tricks the eye into thinking it's live footage. My first month, this lifted click-through from 4.2% to 6.8%. The cost? 0, free tier. But the secret is contrast. Dark text on a light gradient always beats white on black for watch time. Number 4, monetization starts at day 1 with affiliate links in the description. I don't wait for AdSense. Each video links to the AI tools I use. 11 Labs pays 30% recurring. That alone generated $840 in my first 45 days. The unexpected kicker? Screenshots of earnings work better than talking. I show a red circle around the payout number. It builds trust faster than any testimonial. Number 5, the upload schedule that grows faster is 3 times weekly, not daily. I batch 3 videos on Sunday, schedule them with TubeBuddy for 6 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. This consistency pushed my channel past 10,000 subscribers in 8 weeks. A detail you won't guess. I tag the first video in every batch with a brand new keyword, not a trending one. Low competition means it ranks in 24 hours. Number 6, and this is the best one. The entire backend runs on a free Notion database. I track every video's title, script, thumbnail click rate, and revenue in a single table. After 40 uploads, I found that videos with a question in the title earn 52% more. So now I rewrite every title as a question, like, can AI really pay your rent? That small tweak doubled my monthly income from $780 to $1,567 in one cycle. Which of these 6 steps would you test first on your own channel?